For layering iron-on vinyl, you will need Cricut EasyPress, EasyPress heat-resistant mat, mobile, tablet or desktop device, weeded iron-on vinyl designs, and a base item to apply the layered iron-on vinyl design to. To find out the heat and time settings needed for your EasyPress, visit cricut.com/heat guide. Here you will be able to select the heat transfer material you're using, the base material, and if you're using an EasyPress heat-resistant mat. Once the screen has populated, it's easy to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Scroll down to find all the information you need to apply your weeded iron-on vinyl design to the base item. Power on the EasyPress and amend the time and temperature settings as per the online heat guide. Wait for the Cricut icon on the EasyPress to turn green and for the beep to sound. Preheat your base item for 15 seconds before applying the first layer of vinyl. Position the first vinyl layer and apply the EasyPress on top. Start the timer by pressing the Cricut icon. Apply light pressure to the machine whilst the timer counts down. Once the timer reaches 0, remove the EasyPress. Slowly remove the carrier sheet from the iron-on vinyl and leave the base item until completely cool. Align and place the second layer over the first. Place the EasyPress on top of the base item once more and then start the timer. Remove the iron-on vinyl carrier sheet and leave until the base item is cold. Continue working in this way until all of the vinyl layers have been applied. If you're using foil iron-on vinyl within your design, make sure this is the top layer and applied last. Iron-on vinyl top tips. Foil, glitter, holographic and holographic sparkle iron-on should be used as the top layers of your design only and not layered on top of. Sportflex Iron-On should only be layered on top of other Sportflex Iron-On. For best results, try to keep your design to 4 layers or less.